Hi, everyone. Good evening. And well, we just introduced the whole idea behind the session is definitely to walk you through about the marketing and what marketing means to restaurant. And I would like to give a very short presentation on what exactly we are trying to cover in this. So as Mobicon, we are basically a customer engagement platform company, and we work with hundreds of restaurants across Southeast Asia, India, UAE, London. Uh, and where we've learned working with all these restaurants is what we're trying to cover today is relevance of marketing and what data means to restaurants. We're also trying to cover is what is loyalty, how much digital, relevance of cause marketing, significance of customer engagement, mobile strategy. These are some of the jargons we keep hearing every day. Probably we'll try and see and across the panel what is we think and how you can strategize across each of these. Importance of customer feedback and offline and BTL measurability. Very brief, I would just like to say what we do. Mobicon provides actionable insights for restaurants to engage consumer experience, efficiency, and monetization. This we do it by capturing customer data across various digital touchpoints. This is what I wanted to show. Ideally, this is where a marketing manager or an owner here would see that, okay, I'm being bombarded. Is this something that I'm going to get one more company saying, okay, we can do this? So we get basically a lot of companies attacking you and say, oh, we can do listing, we can do marketing, there is social, there is Facebook, all of these stuff. And where we figured out is when we ask a restaurant owner / managers or who are managing marketing, is that they're always confused that, okay, there are so many people, and are you one of those, or are you one of those apps? And that's where we realized the problem to the solution was we basically built an umbrella to stop you or the owners from getting bombarded, and our platform will basically take all the load. And what it does is it basically integrates across all the digital touch points, and what a restaurant owner or a manager would do is manage the entire marketing using one single app. So that's how Mobicon approaches this problem. We'll definitely go in detail. The platform is called as mEngage, and it's been around for the last 1.5 years that we've launched this particular module, and it's been used across from India to every other country that we have been expanding. And these are some of the beliefs that we have. We feel the new age consumer experience is loyalty rather than launching loyalty programs. And this can be integrated across online, offline, mobile, social, and payments. What does that result into is basically giving a complete 360-degree view of each consumer that walks into your restaurant. And that's the most important thing that we feel is lacking currently. What else we believe is improving efficiency. So we understand when we meet restaurateurs every day is efficiency and operation efficiency is very important. And that's where we believe that effective decision-making tools will help you improve efficiency. So there are tools which help you to take decisions instantly. That's what our platform does, and that's what we believe in. And last is, of course, if you do all of these, is monetization. How can we monetize? How can we increase our revenue per customer, improve more footfalls, and increase upsell and cross-sell? So that's well, most of what we do as Mobicon and what we believe in certain areas. And I'll lay the platform open to discussions and next steps.